Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Apple Watch is freezing, running slow, not connecting to your iPhone, or you're planning to sell or give it away, then this video is for you. In today's video, I'll show you how to reset Apple Watch step by step in very easy words. This guide works for all models, including Apple Watch Series 11, SE 3, and Ultra 3, updated till January 2026. So, let's get started. What does reset mean? Resetting your Apple Watch means erasing everything from it. All apps, photos, settings, and data are deleted, and the watch becomes like brand new. People usually reset their Apple Watch when it freezes or doesn't respond. Apps crash again and again. Battery drains too fast. Or before selling the watch. When should you reset Apple Watch? You should reset your Apple Watch if the screen is stuck, touch is not working, it won't connect to iPhone or Bluetooth, you see frequent error messages, or you want a fresh start. But before resetting, always try a restart. Try restart first. To restart normally, press and hold the side button. Slide to power off. Turn it on again. For force restart, hold side button plus digital crown. Keep holding for 10 seconds. Release when you see the Apple logo. If this doesn't fix the problem, then reset is the best option. Things to do before reset. Before resetting, remember these important points. Your Apple Watch backs up automatically to your iPhone. Make sure the watch is at least 50% charged. Activation. Lock uses your Apple ID, so remember your password. If selling the watch, always unpair from iPhone. Now let's see the best and safest reset method. Reset Apple Watch using iPhone. This is the recommended method. Steps. Put Apple Watch on charger. Keep iPhone nearby. Open Apple Watch app on iPhone. Tap My Watch. Tap All Watches. Tap the Info I button. Tap Unpair Apple Watch. Enter your Apple ID password. Your iPhone will create a backup. Erase the watch. Remove activation lock. After this, your watch will show the Hello Setup screen. Reset Apple Watch without iPhone. If you don't have your iPhone, open Settings on Apple Watch. Tap General. Tap Reset. Tap Erase all content and settings. Confirm. Important. This method does not remove activation lock. You will still need your Apple ID later. Forgot passcode? No problem. Put watch on charger. Press and hold side button. Now press and hold digital crown. Tap Erase all content and settings. Done. Reset for selling or giving away. If you're selling your Apple Watch, always reset using iPhone unpair method. This removes activation lock. New owner can use it easily. Also check iCloud is greater than Find My and remove the watch if needed. Does this work on all models? Yes. These steps work on Apple Watch Series 11, Apple Watch SE 3, Apple Watch Ultra 3, older models too. All use watchOS 26.2, so menus are almost the same. After reset. What next? After reset. Bring watch close to iPhone. Pair again. Restore from backup or set as new. Update to latest watchOS. Add Apple Pay and apps again. Your watch will feel fast and fresh. Conclusion. Now you know exactly how to reset Apple Watch safely and easily. Always use the iPhone method if possible. Resetting can fix many issues and make your watch feel brand new.
If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe for more.